Today in math, we have lesson 7.4, make a model to compare numbers. A model is something that you can draw or touch or move to help you to solve a problem. So let's repeat after me. I can make a model to help me see what numbers are greater or less than other numbers. Before we start, we need to talk about some very important words, or and and. The word or is pink at the top of your screen, and the word and is yellow. The word or means only one thing has to be true. The word and means all things have to be true. Let's see what I'm talking about with some different objects. So now we have lots of different objects. At the bottom of our screen, we have a crayon and a guitar, a book and a ladybug, lots of different things. So if I asked you the question, what objects are small or red? The word or means only one of those things has to be true. So let's look which ones are small or which ones are red. These are the objects that are small or red. The crayon is small. The hat is small. The guitar is red. The cherries are red. The ladybug is red. And the book is small. What if I changed the word or to the word and? And means that all of those things have to be true. So what objects are small and red? The cherries and the ladybug are the only things that are small and red. The crayon is small, but it's not red. The guitar is red, but it's not small. So the cherries and the ladybug are small and red. Let's try one of these by yourself. What if I asked, what objects are big or blue? That means only one of those things has to be true. Pause the video before the clock disappears and then press play to check your answers. These are the objects that are big or blue. Did you get it right? Let's change the word or to the word and. What objects are big and blue? That means that all of those things have to be true. Pause the video before the clock disappears, then press play to check your answers. The soccer ball and the shirt are big and blue. Both of those things are true. As we keep working on this lesson, remember the different words or, which means one thing has to be true, and the word and, which means all things have to be true. Let's do this with some numbers. Emily has these number cards. She gives away cards with numbers less than 49 or greater than 53. The word or means that only one of those things has to be true. So let's test the number cards if they are less than 49 or greater than 53. The first number card is 47. Let's try that one first. Is 47 less than 49? Yes, it is. So if one thing is true, that is one of the cards Emily gives away. The next card is 48. Let's try it. Is 48 less than 49? Yes, it is. So one of those things is true. That is one of the cards Emily gives away. The next number is 51. Let's try it. Is 51 less than 49? It is not. But we can try the other one. Is 51 greater than 53? It is not. Or neither of those things are right. Then that's not one of the cards she gives away. Let's try the next card, 52. Is 52 less than 49? No. Is 52 greater than 53? No. So one of those things is not right. So let's try the last card, 54. Is 54 less than 49? No, but only one of these things has to be true. Is 54 greater than 53? Yes, it is. So these are the cards that are less than 49 or greater than 53. Let's try some by yourself. Damian has these number cards. He gives away number cards with numbers less than 16 or greater than 19. Remember, or means only one of those things has to be right. Try the different numbers. Are they less than 16 or greater than 19? Use paper and a pencil to try this by yourself. Pause the video before the clock disappears, then press play to check your answers. These are the cards that are less than 16 or greater than 19. Let's do one more. Anna has these number cards. She keeps cards with numbers that are less than 95 or greater than 98. Remember, only one of those things has to be true. The number can be less than 95 or greater than 98. Use paper and a pencil to try this by yourself. Pause the video before the clock disappears, then press play to check your answers. These are the cards that Anna keeps. They are less than 95 or greater than 98. Nice job. Remember, we've been working with the word or, which means only one of the things has to be true. Let's switch and use the word and. Remember, that means that all of the things has to be true. Miss Wegman, hey, that's me. Miss Wegman has these number cards. She keeps number cards that are greater than 76 and less than 84. So both of those things have to be true. When we test these number cards, they have to work in both of them. The first number card is 72. Let's try it. Is 72 greater than 76? No, so that one won't work. The next number card is 75. Is 75 greater than 76? No, so that is not one of my cards either. The next number card is 78. Let's try it. Is 78 greater than 76? Yes, it is. And is it less than 84? Yes, it is greater than 76 and less than 84. They both are true. So that is one of the cards that I keep. The next card says 82. Let's try it. Is 82 greater than 76? Yes. Is 82 less than 84? Yes. 82 is greater than 76 and less than 84. They are both true. So I can keep that card. The next number card is 85. Let's try it. Is 85 greater than 76? Yes, it is. And is it less than 84? No. So if that's not true, then it is not one of the cards that I keep. Let's try some of these on your own. Henderson has these number cards. He gives away number cards that are greater than 60 and less than 66. That means that both of those things have to be true. So when you try the number cards, make sure they work in both of those. They have to be greater than 60 and less than 66. Use paper and a pencil to try this by yourself. Pause the video before the clock disappears, then press play to check your answers. These are the cards that are greater than 60 and less than 66. Let's try one more. Magdalena has these number cards. She gives away number cards that are greater than 42 and less than 48. So both of those things have to be true. When you check the numbers, make sure that they are both of those things, that both of them are true, greater than 42 and less than 48. Use paper and a pencil to try this by yourself. Pause the video before the clock disappears, then press play to check your answers. These are the cards that Magdalena gives away. They are greater than 42 and less than 48. Did you get them right? Let's try something a little different. Ide has these number cards. On the green side, Ide puts cards that are less than 24. On the red side, she puts cards that are greater than 24. Do you know which cards go on the green and red sides? Use paper and a pencil to try this by yourself. Pause the video before the clock disappears, then press play to check your answers. On the green side, 22, 23, and 21 are less than 24. On the red side, 27 and 25 are greater than 24. Let's try a tricky one. Jacob has these number cards. On the green side, he puts cards that are less than 58. On the red side, he puts cards that are greater than 58. Do you know which cards go on the different sides? Use paper and a pencil to try this by yourself. Pause the video before the clock disappears, then press play to check your answers. On the green side, 57 and 54 are both less than 58. On the red side, 59 and 61 are greater than 58. Are there any cards left over? 58. 58 is not less than 58, and 58 is not greater than 58. 58 is equal to 58, so that was the tricky one. Nice job in lesson 7.4. I hope you liked using those models to help you compare numbers.